Hi everyone, I want to give you an overview of what we're doing next. So what we did before was we created compounds, and you learned that some come together through the formation of ions, some come through the formation of sharing. You may have gotten a list of acids to just commit to memory, depending on the course that you're in. There's a system for naming acids. It depends on whether you're going to name the system or not. Hydrates. Some courses have hydrates. Hydrates are ionic compounds that have waters attached. Okay, so like my water here, well, it's Diet Coke, kind of melted Diet Coke, right? But a hydrate is an ionic compound with the water attached, and then when I want to let the water go, I just set it down. Okay, from there what we're going to do is we're going to take those compounds and we're going to do something with them. Okay, so it's like going to the store and getting chocolate chips. You need to do something with them, okay? So that's going to be types of reactions. All right, there are different types. Depending on the course, you have different levels. There's the real basic ones, and then there's ones that are a little harder. Okay, and just like if you are going to the store to get ingredients for your recipe, like the chocolate chips for chocolate chip cookies, you need to know how much. How many bags of chocolate chips do I need? How many eggs do I need? How much oil do I need? And so that's what we call balancing, that you have to get the right amount, all right? From there, we're going to move into this concept called the molar mass and mole ratio. And again, depending on which course you're in, it's the same idea. In the beginning class, it's a basic introduction. In the 200 level class, it's building on what you know already or reviewing and ramping it up a little bit. Same idea though, same topic. And then it culminates with reaction stoichiometry. And that's analogous to getting your chocolate chips, gathering your recipe. Shouldn't put it in front of my face, but whatever. But then actually making the cookies. Okay, so making the cookies, sometimes we run out of ingredients. Sometimes some little darling in the house took the last egg. Those are called limiting reactants, and depending on which course you're in, you may or may not look at those. And there's also the concept when you make cookies of a concept that we call percent yield. So the recipe might say we're going to make 100 cookies, but we all know the reality. You never make as many as you think because, let's face it, cookie dough is delicious. And so, at least in my house, my 3 sons and my husband, they're always snacking on the cookie dough. So I might plan to make 100 cookies and I might make 10 or 20. I don't know. It just sort of depends. Anyway, it is essential to pace yourself through this material because as you're seeing, everything rests on what you did the week before. Okay, so this one will particularly work in that way. All right, so I will implore you to move ahead so that the material doesn't sneak up on you at the end of the week or even the next week. Okay, keep up the good progress and have a wonderful week.